It's totally covered. Yan guys, tinanggal ko na yung salamin. You can see. I will zoom, full zoom. Yan. Yan. Kita nyo guys yung palibot namin. Yan o. Yan. Totally dark na. Yan. Ang ganda tignan. Wow. Amazing. Wait guys, wait. Iposte ko lang yung camera. Yan. Now the moon is passing on the sun.